Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw a pencil. So follow along with me. The first thing we're going to need is a pencil, and then we're going to use this pencil just for the rough lines to get the basic shape of our little pencil. And then we're going to use a marker to complete our picture. So let's begin. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the basic shape of the pencil. So I'm just going to draw a line. So you can just draw sort of a basic line of a pencil coming down until you are happy with it. So I would say this is about right, and I will just make it round on top like that. And here at the bottom I'll just complete the pencil like so. So you see there's a little tip, and then here would be where we sharpened the pencil. So there we go. So you see there's our little pencil. Then on top, I think let's draw another line going closer together the further it goes up. Good, like so. And here we can just adjust this line. And then on top of that, we're gonna draw the little eraser. Yeah, that's absolutely great. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the eyes, because this is gonna be a little man. Okay, so let's begin. We're gonna draw two eyes, roughly about here. You can follow with me, you can follow along here. So you can draw one eye there and another eye next to it. Perfect. Good. Then at the bottom, like we do as usual in mycutetoons, we draw the eye. So a little line at the bottom, another line there. And today we're going to draw some eyelids. So we're going to just draw little lines like there and yet another line there. Light reflection, top right, big circle, top left, a big circle as well, and then a small circle and another small circle. Yeah, that's great. And what about eyebrows? There's an eyebrow and there's an eyebrow. So we can do that. A little smile, of course. You can draw a line like this, and now you're going to curve it all the way around, and you're going to make a mark like that. And then from here I want you to draw a line down and come up to there. Good. And now we're going to draw a tongue. So you're going to draw one line like so, and then from here you're going to draw another one, and the bottom lip like so. So I think that's our little man. That's his face. Good. Now I want us to make this pen a little bit thicker here at this side. Just bring it down a bit. So you can keep adjusting it with your pencil until you are absolutely happy with the shape. Okay, I think this shape is good enough for me. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a little line down. And we're going to draw yet another one down like so. And here we're going to draw a line down as well. Perfect. Perfect. And this line can go up, and it can maybe just stop there. And then from here you're going to draw the line up again with a curve, and you're going to bring it down again. And then here the line can actually go like so, because that would be the face. And then on top here you can just follow this line through to there. Good. Now I think what I need to do is just make a little adjustment with the tip of my pencil. There we go. I think that would be a little bit better. What do you think? And now we need to make hands. So we're going to draw hands. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line like this, a straight line. All right. And then you're going to go down and you go up like so. And you're going to go back like this. Okay, good. And then another line. But here I want you to draw a line out and another line like so, and you're going to go around like that. You're with me? And then a last one. So that would be the arm. So the arm will go from here and it will go out, and from here it will go back like that, and then you can just complete the circle here as well. Good. You can maybe draw a few lines like so to give it some character there. And then from this side we're going to draw another arm. So we're going to draw it out, we're going to bring it back, we're going to make it round, and you're just going to connect it like so. And then here you're just going to make a, it looks like his arm is on that side. Good. Then I say about from here, this distance, you make a line, you draw a line down, just to see where our little pencil guy will stand. So we're going to draw a foot. So I want you to make one line like this and draw another curve like that. That would be the heels of our little man. So we're going to draw it straight, and from here we're going to go up and we're going to take it around. There's one foot. We're going to draw it straight, we're going to go up, and we're going to go around. There's the other foot. Good. And now for the legs. So a very light line, sort of a curve, go down, and another line here, a curve as well, and you will go down like this. So how I would change it, I will put in some knees. So I'll put a knee there and I'll go there and here, and I'll put a knee and I'll go down again. So that's our little pencil man. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to complete this guy with a marker. So you can take your marker and then we go over the line. And as usual, if you see something doesn't look right on your picture, you can always rectify it with your marker, because we're going to erase the pencil lines in any case. So let's begin. So we're going to draw a little eye like so. Good. And then we're going to draw another eye, and we're going to see if we can't match the eye sizes. And then from here the eyelid, like I said, and from there we're going to draw another eyelid. Good. The bottom of the eye, and again the bottom of the eye. Perfect. And then the light reflections. Yeah. So there we go. The light reflections. Great. Next we're gonna color in our eye, and as usual be careful not to go over the lines, stay within them. Take your time. You can actually pause this video and you can just take your time and color in these eyes. There's no hurry. Good. Whenever you're drawing, you can always take your time. Always take your time and enjoy the process. There we go. Good. Perfect. There's our two little eyes. Eyebrows. There's one. There's the other one. Yeah. And then for our little mouth. So we'll go there and we'll go back. And we're going to go there, and I'm going to change my mouth a little bit. I'm going to bring it back like so. And then with the tongue, you can actually just do that. Yeah. And then of course we need the chin. There's the chin of our little man. Good. Now for the shape. Going to go out, and you're going to draw. You see I'm making it a bit thicker than usual, and I'm going to return like that. And this side I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to make sure there's a bit of a, don't go over the hands, you be careful. So a bit of a curvature in our little pencil, and there we go. From here I'm going to draw a curvy line up, and we're going to draw down, up and down. Perfect. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the side line here like so. That's perfect. And on top of the head you're going to go back like so. That's absolutely perfect. Great. And now we're going to draw this line down. You're going to follow it down, and this line you're going to follow down as well. That's absolutely perfect. And then up there we're going to draw a line up, and some distance away another line up. And now we're going to connect it with a round curve. And now for the top. So you see, this line is going in because it's going into the distance, and this line as well. And then you're going to connect them. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a circle here, and I might make a circle there on the side, because look, there's a little line connecting everything. And on this side I'm going to make a circle, and I'll make a circle on that side. So we're going to connect it with a little line. There we go, like so. Good. And now for the eraser on top. So we draw a line up, round and back. And there's the little eraser. Easy, isn't it? Okay, now let's draw the hand. So you'll go down, go all the way around, and then another finger and yet another one. And this will be the wrist. Good. There's the wrist and our little sticky arm. There we go. Good. And you can just close it like that. And on this side, so you see it's not the same. So what I want to do, I want to change it a bit, like so. So it looks the same about, and I'm going to bring this little arm down like that. Perfect. And then we're just going to draw a finger and a finger. So it looks like there's a hand behind him as well. The next thing, the legs. Yeah. So the legs going to go down, a little kneecap, bring it down. And from here I'm going to take it a bit higher up, a little kneecap, and I'm going to go down. And now for the feet. So we're going to go up and over, up and over. Yeah, great. And now you can connect the feet. There we go. And there's the other foot. Perfect. And a solid surface where our little man is standing on. There we go. There's a little solid surface as well. Great. And then last thing, you see there's a line coming here. We can actually make it a bit round like so. You see, there we go. And there is our little pencil guy. It was really fun drawing with you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'll see you soon.